Aya, Kireto, Verato, La Via, Wataroncato, e Mamma Mia, Kaito, Siba Eya.
Okay. We found a gasket. Hope we don't need to spend any. Okay. Yes, me gives me good eye. Me busy or rats parts reke gasket. Yes, busy with it. Also goes a good area. Me need it's leaking in thermostat coolant housing. Yes, grab it as me and gasket me. It's super old. Yes, you see with it. Yes, I'm put more silicone on it. It makes sure it's a knit. Then make sure you put it back. Got torque at the one torque specification. Was 10. If I were 10.5 Newton-meter. Okay. Yes. Ida. So many give me I'm John. The Kadoraven. Yes, you put detail in the for Dutch. Let's see if you're getting what. Hey, why don't they manage a coolant? Yeah, opposite budget are coolant. It's still the same min niche. And si på så att för budget är med så här pressure det ser så att det går between like are coolant. Go between nick and then we sa med bakkator med nira in this one. Hopefully is it your or med in this one. Yeah, you got to click a bolt. You got the bolt. If it wasn't, if it was 10mm bolt, make sure. Okay. Nice and tight. Yep. Okay. Okay, I see the water pumps. So I saw the water pump right here. Okay, let me throw the pump money. Okay, so we're on the water pump gasket right here.
Start on.
Go ahead. Right here. Okay, hold on. Let me just put my hand on it so you can see it. Okay, good. Huh? Yeah. Okay, go. Yeah. See that water pump? You can see the bubble coming out. Right there. See it? Keep going. Keep pumping it. See that? See the bubble?
Yes.
All right. That's good enough. All right. We're going to redo the water pump. I think you have... Okay, I see the problem here. So, yeah, we have a problem here. Okay. Problem I want to take. See what's going on here, man. I hate this kind of gasket. So, this is the gasket you use?
Oh.
Man, you double seal this guy. Okay, so that's the problem right there. This gasket on top of it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean this guy and then reach. Man, the gasket. Okay, so yeah. Even some furry. Okay, so clear the water pump. This way, the brand new water pump. We saw. I installed it again. Yes, I know that if we have like have some kind of problem here. Okay, I want to see if this is actually the right gasket for it. How do you suits? Dude, this is the gasket you use for it?
Yeah.
Huh?
This is for new one. Just come with those.
Yeah, come with it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, why do we have I know. Try to see if this is the right gasket. That's probably why it's leaking, because it's not the right gasket.
Oh.
Okay, this.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that.
This, okay.
Yeah.
Right here. Okay.
You want me to clean first?
Yeah, what? You get if I clean it up? I'm gonna clean this guy. And I put it in here.
Can't remember it well.
Huh?
Can't remember.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah, I
you.
put it in. Okay. Welcome to Rosa. Kita sebenarnya lihat tu, tahu wari, ya wari Impala ni, lapunan lipsi. Patu di sana itu, mereka pasal berbeda sih, sesuatu something ni, some come up to help this, this couple. Ni itu kisahnya ni apa rasa ya? Saya continue.
Okay, iwe. Nga bore, pau isara kong. Ngomongin meta chumiri siri iwe, si sapu kiti atsi boy. Endigo rache sa warika, para ta atskiri so ren, seba jego mei fakuru ren, tong overwet. Ye chemin ne afis me boru eda, para chakagen. Wan, atara wache ren, par ye buichi ka atskiri so gari kot ren, buichi. Me bat, kot mere feye chigeri. E saku feyo jo to gori ban, eri sikich, are boy. Pa förri vet att suke wache. Yo ese be atsi beveri ren mori e si posabora be yatek feriden ye buich pun me tare du fits me te batchem kot me fangeri ga fe chigeri kot e posabora be e fe chigeri pun more family many darinis nge ye posabora be elisir me par e fe chir. Kot e boy e fe chi buich tori aru se favori be si kiriso chabu.
Okay, well, suara kisah summarizing aja, menilai para perasa yang ada perasa ya, karena para perasa med
Ewa we area na ira ke kanela to be garaya ira to